Good morning, puppies.
Wasn't that frustrating yesterday?
Maybe not quite BFFs here.
It's just truck wagon traffic there.
Yeah.
Morning. We got rolling the corn here this week. We got about 140 acres done. We're gonna move over to another 80 over out east. We're gonna get that hammered out, haul in the town here. It's Sunday morning. Elevators aren't open until about noon, so we'll start hauling about then. We'll head over about 10. By that time, we'll have a load ready to go to town. So come along, everybody. Dogs act like we don't feed them. They're eating the corn on the ground. Just found this on the middle of the road. That'd be I had to go through a tire or something. Also repping Sunny Farms today, so shout out to Cole and Brian out there. Hope you guys having a good harvest. Talked to Cole last night. Sounds like you are. Keep her up. Moment where the combine was dumping onto the truck directly and not into the cart. Got a field meal. Thanks, Mommy.
I fixed my hair today.
You just knew that this was coming.
Oh, you could have found me like better.
on the step out here, so I shut it off, took it and put it in the cab here. Thought I'd give some quality narration here. Probably not, but this is a view from the seat of the combine. We'll see how well Garrett can catch here. Wave to the camera, Garrett. Variability in this field this year. Really short of moisture in this location. See from the yield map, that south side there, I guess they're calling it, or it's the soybean edge effect. There's a soybean field to the south side of this field, and the hot wind in August blowing across those bean fields just really took it out of the edge of the corn. That corn for the first 3 passes was down below 100 bushel per acre. You can see average right now is about 182. You know, the greens are up in that 240 range, so a lot of variability. Yeah, this is just short. It's just too bad we didn't get some rain in August, end of July and August. Had a lot of corn potential out here, just didn't come through. So that's part of the farming. Here now we're in a little better area, and we're going back up over 200 bushel per acre. So just crazy variability. Yeah, this is Garrett's dad, Tom. I was sitting here in the combine. Garrett had me run some video with it. He said, just take it off the step when you're done with it. Want to make that round. So it's been sitting here. I was thinking I'll take some video of the corn from the seed here, a video of Garrett catching me on the go. I got to thinking, most of these YouTubers, farm YouTubers, are pretty good, but when they start putting their dads on camera, they really get good. So I'm thinking about Garrett's buddy Cole from Sunny Farms. When he started featuring his dad Brian a little bit, man, his channel took off. I'd look about Larson Farms, Chap, his dad, Doug. You put Dougo on there, and man, it just exploded. So I'm thinking, this is must be a deal. You got to have your dad on your farming videos to make it more real, I think. Brian's farming videos, same thing. Millennial Farmer, and all of them put their feature their dads on there, and I think that's when they really truly start taking off as YouTube channels. I mean, I guess you guys can like and share, you know, hit the thumbs up and all that kind of stuff. Well, even look at Cole the Corn Star, Daddy Corn Star, get him on there. I'm sure that's what has taken him over the whatever the 300,000 subscriber mark. So hey, out there, just start subscribing. I'm not saying I'm going to have a lot of content, but I think that's the key to this whole YouTube thing. Get your dad on there, and they take off.
So we have about had a real big problem. I got the camera back from Dad here, and it said no media. There was nothing on it. And I thought I was going to have to choose but I don't know what I did, but I got it back. They're back on there. So we dodged a bullet there.
That would have been a bad day.
I had to call Cole Sonny, and this is his old camera, and he had to tell me he could have accidentally deleted everything, but luckily we got everything. So
What did I do wrong, Garrett?
I don't know what you did, but there was nothing there when I got it back to look at the stuff. So
Oh my.
but
Thanks, Cole. You're a lifesaver. Appreciate it. Make Garrett's day. He's all good now.
But with that, we got quite a bit of harvest left to do, so I'm sure we'll be back here at least next weekend, maybe try to get something again. So those of you all still harvesting, stay safe out there, and good luck.